This presentation will show you how to create and submit appointments in Outlook with TimeSheet Reporter. To create a time entry with TSR, you simply create an appointment as you normally would in Microsoft Outlook and enter the information you normally would. You then click on the TSR icon and choose the proper organization, project, and activity. If you have created a favorite, you can have these fields pre-filled for you. Click Save and Close. You can optionally also submit your appointment for approval. Color codes on your appointments will show the status of the appointment. Gray, the appointment has TSR information on it and has not been submitted yet. Green, the entry has been submitted and is pending approval. Gold, the entry has been approved. You can track your time with TimeSheet Reporter via Outlook for Windows, Outlook for Mac, and Outlook for Web. And if you don't have access to your Outlook, you can also use your browser, including on your phone. There are many other features in the TSR Outlook User Agent which you might find helpful. For more information on this, please visit our support website.